In today's episode, we are building 3D printed screw bump. And oh boy, this will be a good one. Spoiler alert, this screw bump will work so well and looks really cool. Also we can see inside the bump because it's transparent, and with the colored water, we see how the water moves inside the bump. For a bonus, we are going to test multiple screw designs. So in this video, I explain how the bump works, how to build it, and how it performs. So if you wanna see all of that, stay tuned and let's get started.